is 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉𝒊𝒏𝒈. So I work as a IAM administrator in cybersecurity. So I have a IT work experience of 5 years. So since nowadays everyone knows that cloud computing has been in a boom, and there are major cloud platforms, AWS, Google, Oracle. These cloud platforms are mainly used in each of the companies. So even I wanted to get into learn and get an experience into the Google cloud platform. So I was searching for institutes who can give hands-on lab, and I chose Google Cloud Platform to learn from a very renowned institute that is nearby to me in 𝒘𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉𝒊𝒏𝒈, Pune area. It's 𝒉𝒂𝒏 Technologies. So experience with 𝒉𝒂𝒏 is phenomenal, and the teaching staff, Satyendra sir, every day he used to clear all kind of doubts, whatever used to be with Google Cloud, what are the cloud concepts, everything from scratch he taught, and the experience was really good. And after a couple of months of taking the training, gaining hands-on experience on Google Cloud Platform, I appeared for exam to give exam on Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer certification. So I gave examination, and luckily I was passed. No one say luckily, but yes, the 2 months of experience did quite help me, and it was a phenomenal experience. Also, I would like everyone to recommend you guys and everyone, if you are going for a cloud training, choose 𝒉𝒂𝒏, because my experience here was great, phenomenal experience. It will help you in many ways. Yes, thank you.